In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style tables with CSS in Dreamweaver. We'll work together step by step, ensuring you understand each phase of the process. Let's dive right in. First, open Dreamweaver. This is your starting point for creating and editing web content. Once you have Dreamweaver open, you can easily manage your files and access various tools. Now with Dreamweaver running, let's move to the next step. Open your HTML page. This is the file where you'll be working on your table. Make sure you have it ready. If you haven't created one yet, you can do so by selecting New from the File menu. Having your HTML page open allows you to directly edit and view your changes. Click Split View. This feature is incredibly useful. It allows you to see both your code and a visual representation of your page at the same time. You'll find Split View in the top right of your screen. Using Split View offers a more efficient way to monitor the impact of your code in real time. Now, let's add a table inside the body of your HTML. Type in the following code. Afi table class Afi table style. Name say tium. Email. John tium. John at email.com tium. This code snippet creates a simple table with two columns, name and email. The table is styled with a class named table style. Using classes makes it easy to apply consistent styles across multiple elements. With your table structure in place, let's move on. Add CSS inside the head of your HTML. Insert the following styles between the style tags. Drek, border 1px solid black. Padding 10px. 1. Table style tar hovers big arrays. Background color light grays. 1. This CSS sets the width of your table to 100% and collapses borders for a cleaner look. It also adds a blue background and white text for your table headers. The borders are defined with a solid black line for a clear separation. Padding is set to 10 pixels to ensure content is not cramped. Finally, the hover effect changes the row background to light gray, enhancing interactivity. Ensuring your table is styled improves readability and user experience. Save your file. Saving your work is crucial. It ensures that all your changes are preserved. You can do this by selecting Save from the File menu or pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. You'll feel more secure knowing your progress is safe. Lastly, click Live View or press F12. Live View lets you see how your page looks in a browser-like environment. It's a great way to preview your table's appearance with the applied styles. You should see your table styled as intended, with the blue header, black borders, and hover effect. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully styled a table with CSS in Dreamweaver. This skill is valuable for creating visually appealing and professional web pages. As you practice, you'll find more ways to customize your designs. Thank you for following along. Keep experimenting with different styles to enhance your web projects. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.